Hi everyone, I'm Dante GFX and I will show to you how to export any FC26 items for an example in FC25. First step, you can download this app, FIFA Editing Tools site, and download now. This tool give us tool for export that items. For this example, I write hub and wait some minute. You have Data Explorer and Legacy Explorer. This is method for free GFX pack. Don't pay 10, 15, 20 funds for copied items from this app. And click we game screens. For example, car training squad don't have textures, but in MG assets you have many folders with that textures. For example, background from Libertadores, MLS, South America. This may be not attractive, but wait, you have tiles and you look calendar, my career, and we found two Bundesliga items, but it's not looking good. Oh, you have so Xbox. Oh, background for Libertadores, background for UCL, background for Volta. Many items you have watch in this EMG assets. Look at this. This is many folders in cost 10, 50, 20 pounds in summon packs. You have for free in FIFA editor tool. I don't use it. It's strange pack, diamond pack, hydronium pack, because it is free intellectually property. Free. Even socks. No, this is true. This is true. For free. I don't know when FIFA releasing FIFA editor tool for FC26, but maybe October, maybe November. Event balls, background stadiums, background coach, some care, for example, from FIFA 23. My English is not good, my English is so Polish English, but you can understand maybe what I mean. This is video. You have every items in this pack. FIFA editor tool. Wait for October, wait for November. Don't buy other GFX packs, sorry. Polish language in English accents is so terrible. Terrific this situation, maybe. So, don't sense.